They don't arrest Bobrisky brother for Cameroon. Oh. You know, say they be how we even call themselves? They be brothers in the same business. Gender, homosexuality, and Gbogbo. They don't arrest this. If you see, now when they try, oh. This one we get one way even wear yellow. We're not going to even say all of them. Now so they carry all of them because they say that they practice homosexuality. And this thing for Cameroon, they know they use and play. They know, say they know here or they know see you. They go arrest you sharp. My people now the matter where I bring for una now. So for now we don't know who are they talk about. Because I just say once una see and serve, una go see Bobrisky inside. So join me, make we watch the video. Buhari, our beloved president, the only one president, every other president na counterfeit. You understand? I beg. I hope say they see these people. You they see Cameroon far from Nigeria. Anyhow, I don't know, but I not sure say the distance go too much. You understand? Come see people, see people we get head where they use their head. No be Nigeria. No be Nigeria. See them. When una see country where they fight for in rights, where they fight to become better, una go know. When una see one, una go know. And Cameroon na one. I know so many of una go come they start a list the bad things where they get, bad things where they do. I not to say they be perfect. I just to say they try. You understand? At least it's better than sitting down doing nothing. No, compare this one now to our own. I not talk anything. Just compare them for your mind and give yourself the answer. You know since when we don't they fight this homosexuality, same gender, this one. You know since when? And now them their self can't tell us say anybody where they catch now how many years in prison. No be also now them tell us. So now how it happen? They don't achieve those papers for one corner. They don't even forget say something like that exists. Buhari come here, oh, come here. Not the one way they do anyhow. See Cameroon. I just say by now some Nigerians say they wish say they be from Cameroon because many people don't they call me since. Madam Aproko, I want to change my citizenship. I want to change. Hey, Chineke. See, nothing good like when you dey country and the head of the country sabi work. Nothing good like that, oh. Because at least, even if not be 100%, 90%, you dey sure of security. No be Nigeria. See, Bobrisky, James Brown, Uche, Bolu Akupe, they roam about the whole of Nigeria like say, na their papa even get, you understand? Nobody fit even tell them anything. Nobody. They don't even become celebrity on top of the matter. On my last, my people, we go borrow Cameroonians, their police people, we go exchange. You understand? May they bring the Cameroon police come to our side. Then we go carry Nigerian police go to their side. Even if now for 1 month. Una go see changes wey go happen for Nigeria, una no go believe. We need them. See these people. Just imagine now. Say you hear, say they don't carry Bobrisky go prison. What a relief. Peace of mind. Because these people, they be bad influence to our younger ones, children, you understand? So we don't need them. All of them way they open mouth now. They talk say, you should allow people to live their life, allow people to have a say in their life. Something they work on ahead. Seriously. So, when they try to talk now, say, God no get sense. Now you create yourself. Can you even produce the food you are eating? Not to talk of create human being. Person create you, person decide how your life will be. You won't come bring your own. If God wanted man and man to be, for bring us Adam and Eve. If for bring us Adam and Steve. You understand? But he give man woman and he give woman man. And that's what it's supposed to be. You always like they fight some things where you don't do. See, wow. I beg, all of una wey no say, because now no say many of una go come dey talk plenty. If you no say this thing dey your body, homosexuality, e dey your body, you no fit change, and you are not ready to change. Ungwanu, pack your things and leave Africa, because it is forbidden, it is prohibited in Africa. So pack your things and go, so that we go no say, okay, oh, now we wait dey here, because e dey allowed for outside. E dey allowed. You even feel marry your fellow woman, you feel marry your fellow man, nobody will even question you. But as long as Africa is concerned, Biko, pack your things and go, because we no need that. You understand? They no train us like that. So no can use your own now, can they spoil our team? You know they practice that nonsense here. My people, now the matter be this. Now I say make I bring them, because you don't dey too much. And I happy say I just dey pray say as you don't start from Cameroon, you understand? Small, you go dey reach our side. Make we continue to dey pray. They very, very important. So drop your comment for the comment section. Very, very important. And if you never subscribe, make sure say you subscribe. You understand? I dey beg una be my people. And make sure say you share this video, so that everybody go know wetin dey share for One-on-One TV. Very, very important. Don't go far. See you later. Hello my beautiful people, yeah, welcome to the Aproko Show, and today I don't bring una matter from Destiny Etiko. Hey, I dey sure say many of una dey aware of the new car where this girl just bring inside her compound. If una see car, Chineke, some kind things they call them machine. This one no be those ordinary cars wey una dey see everywhere. SUV Prado, new one, tear rubber. My people, now so she bring her on social media, they flaunt them, they show herself everywhere. And all of us, people like me, I mean, they think say her sweat, you understand? Say she work hard by her car. My people, matter don't reach me now. Say that car where una they see like that, man, they behind them. And they don't say now one oil business man, married man. They say now that one be Destiny Etiko they see behind the scenes where the man don't come surprising girl now with this very expensive car, and she don't come outside now come they deny all allegations. Oh, she even they swear. She says they swear on her life, her mother life, nothing where this girl. No. She even they cause people now where they talk against. I bet make her not even waste on her time, my people, because this matter is they very hot. So for now, we don't know who be Destiny Etiko. Una never even see the car before. Join me, make we watch the video.
Been going on. A lot has been flying on the internet ever since I posted my vehicle. I haven't rested, and I do not know why. I had wanted to keep quiet because, of course, a clear conscience fears no accusation. But things kept coming up and up as if I have done something wrong. So I am here to clear the air. I don't know this man you people speak of. I don't know him. I have never met him in my entire life. I swear with my life, I swear with everything I hold sacred. In fact, apart from my life, another person I hold so dear to my heart is my mother. I swear with my mother's life.
Chineke. As I they listen to this girl, I don't know why the thing they do me like say they listen to Regina Daniels or Ehi. Una know Ehi. No, be so they come outside, they swear. Hey, I don't have anything to do with this man. No, I don't have anything to do. Now like this they start. Regina Daniels come out before. Me and Ned Woko, we don't have anything. Today, waiting happen. They even get one picking. He come outside. Me and MC, we know I'm not dating him. He did not help me in anything. Now waiting happen. Now she even they come outside, they post her. She even they blast. Say, if I want to marry him, I will marry. Now like this now. My sister, lower your voice. You understand? We understand. We know all these things. We know how it happens. You don't need to see. Don't stress yourself. We know. Then they come out saying, "Nah, I swear." They come out, they swear with your life. Before now, my life, you want use take swear before. Mom be say make you leave your mama out of this thing. We don't understand, because now some people they bring calamity upon themselves. Now you don't dey swear on top your mama life, knowing fully well inside your mind or your heart sef, you know say, hey, that person dey behind that car. But now you don't dey bring your mama come outside so that people go believe. Why una life be like this? Tomorrow night, if something happen to your mama, you go come dey blame devil, blame witches and wizards. No knowing say now you come outside today now, come dey swear. Abeg, make una dey careful. I don't know why this girl, you dey think say swear dey work. Swear no dey work. Even you when you be actress, you know say for movies sef, that thing no dey work. Una know how many times boys go dey swear. They go even use their mama life swear just to bang woman. When they don't succeed, they go come. See, no be today. Now today, Nyash dey for back. No be today. We know all these things. Hi! Madam hardworking. Hey, I work very hard. We know you work hard. Working hard now as per what? Abeg, which business this lady dey do? We come bring this kind money. Which investment you invest? Una know how much be that car? Na Nollywood salary. How much dey pay Nollywood actress? How much? 300k, 500k. Una know how much be that car? Say this one, you work hard, you do this one, you do. How come, my people, how come for this whole Nollywood matter, how come they say now only the female actresses this thing they favor? Check am. All the female actresses for Nollywood, if una see, if either they buy house, they buy car, they do this one. Why they say now only the female? Why? The male own, we don't even dey hear about any male actor. Now them even they struggle pass. How come? Now don't ask yourself this question. Wetin be this man name? If one even shock me now self. Prince Chukwuemeka Ani. Una know I'm an Nollywood actor. That's how they told una now this man dey hospital. Even they beg say abeg make people help him financially because even in hospital bills this man no fit pay. Na actor na, no be Nollywood, no be Nigeria we dey. Actor, you no fit pay. I don bring her so that una no go think say I just dey talk and I dey make up some things. For una wey no know who be Prince and una no know the condition wey this man dey, biko join me make we watch am.
Yeah, my name is Prince Dr. Emeka Ani. I am a Nollywood veteran actor. Since December 7th, I've been in this hospital for a major surgery. And at the end of the surgery, in fact, it expanded to a very dangerous one. Well, I thank God I am getting better now. I am soliciting for my people, my members, my friends, and well-wishers, those that love me so much. The bill is too much. I cannot carry it alone. A little contribution will go a long way to pay up the bill. I'm still taking medication at the hospital, Dr. Lugard Hospital, number 21, Mbieri Road, Akwakuma, Were, Imo State. That's where I am as I'm talking with you now.
So now this one are waiting. Now singer. No be actor. No, now they do like say una no use una eye see am. No be actor, na just sing now where they bed. See, I know they against anybody's success. I know they against women building themselves and doing things for themselves. But are they against lies? No come outside when they take us like say we be idiots. Why you go dey lie? See, I know they see business where una go tell me say destiny they do. We go bring this kind car. Abeg, which business? Ungwanu, you come outside and come deny the fact. Oh yeah, you tell us, what do you do for a living apart from acting? Because my people see, men no be like say I always they talk or the bad belle person. It good make we dey work with facts. Work with facts. Now go they tell me say are they against? I know they against her. I know what made they lie. No come outside when they lie. You they follow married man and you they come outside they swear. Because if you no say you no get anything to do with this man, first of all, you don't even get any reason to even come outside. Come they even they shout for me. No, I be your mate. You chop winch. You even they come they shout for me. See, now only one advice me I go give you. You understand? I no get time here to the ways they drag matter with you. One simple advice: stay away from people's husband. Period. Period. Stay away from people's husband. Now follow. Now. They cause wahala for people houses. Now they come outside, they do this. Show us the work. Okay, bring out the receipt now or the papers. We go tell us where you buy them. Now so. Me, I no go talk past this one. No. Because if you know say you follow for this thing where this girl they talk, una believe. That one on our business. Me, I don't come tell on waiting me, I think. So anything where you get against waiting I talk, drop out there. May we fight this battle for that comment section. You understand? I still want to know waiting I think. Una still be my people anyhow. Now the matter be this on my people. So drop your comments for the comment section. It is very, very important. And make sure say you share this video. Make everybody know what thing they happen for this house. Click on that subscription bell if you never subscribe. If not, you go to miss anything when we drop. Don't go far, guys. Love you. See you later.